There we go. Sorry, guys. I forgot about that. Oh, let's get this to gold. So yeah, we said that yesterday. GJ finally came down. So with this daily candle over here, what am I expecting price to do? Well, for me, it rejected resistance here. Closed below now. And now this new candle has already exceeded the low and should continue at least down to this support. Maybe further down to this area here. So yeah, that is what I'm probably looking for on the daily, okay? A continuation with the sell. As long as we stay below 155, we should continue down, which makes sense. Let's take a look on the 4-hour time frame. While I do this, let me just put the daily flip on. Here we go. Yeah, so daily flip on over here. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. The 4 hours on. Beautiful. So, yeah, higher time frames are bearish right now, which is nice to see, to be honest. The next 4-hour support is all the way down here, so that could be a first target, 153,500 for potential target first, and then I want a bit lower down, 152,900.
What's up, boys?
What's up, my man? Oh, looks quite a good zone over here. So let's take a look. So hourly time frame, we're kind of starting to see our resistance level, which is 154,180, and our support level, which is right around 153,760. Nice to look at the 30 minutes and the 15 minutes. Let's take a look at the 30. Yeah, 30 minutes interesting. Let's take a look at the 15. Yeah, so for me, there's a support here. This is the main support. And let's just see the distance between that support and the next one. 20 pips, yes, that's reasonable. That is reasonable. So potentially sells below that area, which would be pretty nice. 22 minutes left for this hourly. I may want to wait for the hourly to close. And the 30-minute to close below, but yeah, it looks pretty good coming towards that level. And the reason why I'm not really too bothered about this is because if we drop down, clean candles it went to, and it dropped down to 596, which is 20 pips away, so that's pretty good. So that would be the first target here. Second target would be here, because this is where the previous resistance was, so it could make support there. And then final TPs would be right around these areas, 152,862. So kind of interesting. GG has been struggling to break the support. I think impulse entry may be reasonable with London push. Ooh, maybe, yeah. With the London push, we're not too far away. Let's take a look at the news over here today. So we've got construction PMI at 9:30. Got some big US news, which I will not be participating in today. Especially this week's been a hard week, so yeah, do not want to be chasing it with the news over here. So let's take a look at what I'm looking for. So as I said, I want sells below this area. In 5 minutes time, we may get a closure below, but I kind of want to wait for the 30. Yeah, so sells below this region over here. 153,820. Beautiful. That is probably what I'm going to be looking for. Taking a look at potential trades taken just before, some resistance forming. It would have been quite hard though. Let me just mute Milan as usual. So yeah, below 820 is the region I want to be playing on to continue down over here. Looks kind of big candles, clean candles. Look at the 4-hour now, pretty simple. We're coming down, did exceed the high, but we didn't really push too far up above this level. So looking pretty nice to continue down soon. So we'll see, 820 level. And then the resistance is at 154,180, so potentially buys above this region if we break it. So yeah, pretty nice, pretty nice. Let's take a look at gold over here now. So as I said, yeah, today I'm not going to be trading Goldie with this news. Yeah, I'll see NY session, see how it looks. If GJ's not moving about, then I'm probably going to leave it, because of the fact that gold isn't going to move much until this news comes out, and it could be a bit of a tricky area. So let's take a look over here. So let's just go onto the daily time frame like I just did here. So the daily time frame over here, we got a big push above to 1947, 1949. Then we got a pullback, didn't really close below though, still bullish as a whole, and then we just got a bullish closure. It's actually already hit the highs, holy crap, of the previous past candles, which looks like it did that in Asian. Take a look at the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is starting to push above, which is nice to see. Starting to fill these wicks to the left, potentially coming up to 1945 still. That looks like where we could potentially come to. It looks like we're holding a support as well on the 4-hour time frame at 1934, which is nice. 1934. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame. Take a look at the hourlies and the 30 minutes and the 15s. You can see there is a clear resistance just above this region, which is here. 1940 is a clear resistance. This 15-minute over here just made a nice lower wick to flip, could potentially continue to 1940. That was pretty reasonable. The hourly as well looks good to continue bullish. And yeah, 4 hours starting to pump. So yeah, potentially buys above 1940 would be pretty decent. GJ sells. Daily bearish. Yep. GJ looks good. Oh yeah. Let me just get this here.
I'm gonna leave you guys for maybe 2 weeks.
Oh, Milan's gonna have a holiday.
Yeah, maybe I'm going to France.
Oh, nice.
South France.
Nice.
Yeah, I need to take some time off.
Yeah, that'd be good, man. That'd be good. Oh, you guys got the GJ move here. Me and Scotty got the move down. Ooh, where did you get in?
Got in on the 15-minute close bearish below. The previous one broke the previous candle high and then failed to continue. Then we got in on the break of the lows.
Nice. Yeah, that was
Brilliant,
good.
Scott.
Nah, session.
Oh, session.
Yeah, nice, man. Yeah, because there's a little minor support there. What time did this happen? 7 o'clock.
Very early, but it's Frankfurt open, so if there's volume coming in at Frankfurt,
Yeah,
it should drive it.
That was a nice rejection wick there as well. Yeah, that was good. 15 pips. Not too shabby.
I didn't expect that from you.
What?
Nice.
Sessions sells before.
Yeah.
Very nice,
Yeah,
very
you
nice.
actually killed it.
Yeah, that was good. Looked good on the 30-minute as well, actually. Yeah, very nice, very nice. So yeah, coming towards this really key area, you can see on the hourlies we've got hourly supports here, and here. So this is why I'm probably gonna wait for this hourly to close, I think, below. That's probably what I'm gonna look for over here. But yeah, looks pretty interesting. Yeah, this week's been very hard for me. So that's why my NY session I'm gonna be chilling. With NFP, I'm probably not going to trade it. So yeah, we'll wait and we'll see until we could break this. The 4-hour low is looking very promising to fill that previous past wick at 571. Very nice. So yeah, we'll see in the next 15 minutes or so. This 15-minute candle's closing, but it's not really closing below. So I'd rather have the 30, to be honest, to get a clear zone. So yeah, morning geese, morning everyone, morning. And make sure to like the stream if you guys are new here, or if you just came in for a beautiful Friday morning. I may go and run down and get a coffee. I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling it. And let's just go through GU as well. GU. So GBP USD. Let's get up over here. Alright, so daily time frame. Oh, daily time frame over here is looking interesting. So daily closed bearish again, rejecting the highs, kind of similar to GJ, but a bit less cleaner now because it is just printing sideways from here to here. It's in a bit of a higher time frame range. The 4-hour time frame over here is looking okay. Looks like it's starting to break below, which is nice to see. Very, very nicely. Let's take a look at the hourly time frames. Yeah, so coming towards like a kind of similar hourly level. Let's take a look on the 30. Let's take a look at the 15. Yeah, so pretty similar to GJ over here. You got a very, very key level right around these areas, but definitely sells below would be looking very, very nice to continue down to the previous zones. There's one here which is only 8 pips away, 7 pips away, and then the main one here is 17. So yeah, you could have stop loss to break even on this one and then just continue down. So pretty nice. Sells below here would be nice, and then buys above. So looks like GJ and GU at the moment, today, sorry, are looking pretty simple. You just gotta wait for a closure above or below. Pretty simple, eh? So yeah, that's what I'll wait for. Do I have enough time to go down and get a coffee? I'm trying to think. Yeah, I may do. So yeah, guys, just after this session, I'm gonna close it for the Zoom. I'm gonna go down, get another drink, and then I'm gonna come back and then set it all up and then add you guys. So it'll probably be about like 9:30. Then we're gonna go through the homework that I set out, and then we're gonna go through a gold simulation. The next gold simulation. So yeah, and then the webinar's coming out later tonight. So all set in stone, which is good to see. A lot of content coming out, so that's what I like to do, man. So yeah, hourly left, 12 minutes left, looking pretty good to continue. So I'm just gonna go quickly get a coffee, so I won't be long over here. But yeah, and I'll get a drink as well. Actually, stay hydrated, man. Didn't have time to get it this morning. Right, it'll be 2 minutes. I'll write on here. Finn can come on and teach you how to trade. Right, 1 sec.
All right, boys. The master is here.
Class in order, class in
Yay.
session. We're all here. Any dumb cunt.
Everybody, shut your eyes and buy on gold. They call me the gold whisperer.
Big gold digger.
The
Bye.
gold digger.
Bye.
Bye.
Leave it on, leave it on, leave it on, leave it on.
Wait,
Russia just said they're about to throw some more bombs down. It's time to buy.
He's right here. What's his what was his name? Haywood. So now yes. Hedge, sell buy, sell buy.
oh, can we do? We could do text on this as well.
Yeah.
How do you spell remortgage?
Remortgage.
Yeah, what's up, guys?
Hedge your
What the fuck
account.
are you doing?
Now.
Yeah, let's go to this shit.
Next,
Ooh, wait,
yeah,
that's love hearts.
Milan, we're doing the tactic, close your eyes and buy gold.
Listen, the gulag
this
is
is my
gonna
last
ask what
day of
indicator
trading.
that is. Eh?
This is my last day of trading.
Oh, that's the love heart indicator. That's a great one.
Fuck this market, man. Fuck it. I'm so angry, nervous. No. I lost my compass. Fuck it.
Yeah, but it's been hard, Milan, eh? It's been hard.
Yeah. Last 2 weeks. was-
Tasking. Yes, that's chicken discreet.
Fuck.
Hey, Milan.
Hey.
Is your last day of your challenge?
No, it isn't.
Oh, Jesus Christ, gold. Let's decorate the whole screen so when he gets back.
No, I got like 20 days challenge, but still I'm in -4.
Still got 20 days.
Yeah, I know, but I do like the market. I do like myself trading, you know.
What is your maximum drawdown in percent? Is it 5 or 6 or 10%?
I think it's 12.
12 total daily 5.
Okay, but in total you're down 4.
Yeah, 4.
Because
Okay.
TJ.
It's not bad.
On big account, yeah.
Yeah.
It's just this trading, you know, I'm so, you know, how do I say, I'm not me, you know.
Oh, yeah. Time for some vacation.
Yeah. This is a perfect time to me to do some vacay. What the fuck is this? Some pig?
Oh, it's just some scribbles. All right, so that.
Holy fucking shit. I knew this was gonna happen. Ah, yes, signal of the day. Buy gold. Oh my fucking god. Where did you get all them love heart shits on? Delete.
It's all Scott.
Yeah, that was me. I did the love hearts on the top of the stars below.
I did the ticks.
And the dick.
Max, we were in class session, all right? Can you please leave? We're doing arts and craft.
Arts and craft. Nice. Right, let's get rid of this. I've got a fucking delicious coffee with me now. Yes. Right, 6 minutes left of this hourly over here. Nice. Just right on that little level. Yeah, the measurement of how far we can push down here, 23 pips, is not bad at all. So we've got the daily with us, we've got the 4-hour with us. Why is this daily fib not there? We've got the hourly with us, we've got the 30-minute with us, the 15, yeah. So looking pretty good. Potentially. So yeah, what I'm waiting for is potentially a closure. Where could I have my stop? Yeah. Stop above the previous. Breaking of the lows, hopefully with the top wick first. That'd be nice. So yeah, we'll see. We will see. Let's take a look. Afternoon here. Let's go. Yes, it's a Friday, so you know, chill out, ready for the weekend. Excited for the weekend. And yeah, so stops are gonna be pretty nice. So yeah, I think we could potentially get, I mean, if you wanted to hold this on, you could really get the 20 pips because it's such a clean area.
Scott's still got his bloody rudder on. Close mine out.
Oh, nice.
If this weekly wants to close below the previous week, oh, it's going to be on.
Yeah.
The GA is still coming down.
GA.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, there's some wicks to the left here at 12 pips actually. I'm gonna yeah, I'm still gonna close at 10 or get ready to close at 10. And then TP2 is gonna be at them lows. 153,600. Very nice.
Yeah, looking good. Really.
Yeah. Very nice. Alright. Beautiful. 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left for the closure. Do you mind? Do you mind about the support on the 30 if you don't close it below? Yeah, I do.
I was thinking below that zone.
Oh, you're looking at this support. Nah, I'm not really
Yeah,
too, I'm not really too asked about that. 15's chill with it. I think I'm okay with that. Because I suppose it's got hourly as well.
Max, I'm not sure.
I think we'll miss it, but anyway.
Maybe.
We'll see,
Maybe
we'll see,
below
we'll
that
see.
zone.
Oh, fucking stop pushing it. The fucking last 2 minutes of the hourly, man. Oh, I'm so sick of GG. Fuck off. Yeah, it looks like it may run off over here. Amazing. Well done. Oh, yes. Push it back up. Beautiful. So, yeah, there is a little hourly support, which is kind of annoying, but I don't really want it to put me off because the 15's chill. We'll see, we'll see. So if you waited for the 30-minute close over here, 765, yeah, there's still a zone. I'll see how much the top wick is over here, because I can get a stop back in the previous zone like here. Then it's pretty reasonable. So we'll see, we'll see. 2 minutes 50 left. Just stay up a little bit here, please. So look at the 4 hour. 4 hours exceeded the low of the previous, so looking good to continue down. Those wicks there, which is where prices came every time, is like 8 pips away, so that's pretty reasonable. 696.
What's up, bitches?
What's up,
Jason,
bitches?
what the fuck?
Jason is in the building.
Oh, it looks like he's playing Laser Quest.
Is he? Let's take a look. He's got his gear on, he's got no idea.
All the gear, no idea.
Oh, the gear, no idea. Stops above the M15 or 30-minute candle. Depends on the size. If it's the 30-minute candle, then that's a 20 pip stop for a 12 pip gain. Is probably not the best. So you have to do it over the 15. Sorry, but we'll see with this closure. I really want.
Waiting for closures.
Yeah.
Don't worry, we're gonna get it, man. I'm here. We're getting it.
I want this candle to come up and then flip down. So we'll
The
see.
GA was nice again.
GA.
That was nice again.
GA. Ah, fuck my leg.
Your knees again.
Yeah, my knees are fucked now. I played football again last night and I completely shafted them. So that's great. So that's great. Just put this down a little bit lower here. There.
I done a leg day for the first time yesterday after 3 weeks, so my legs are gone.
Yeah. Oh man, leg day is not a vibe.
Fuck that shit, honestly.
It's just a
Out
pain.
of the fucking toilet in the morning, could I get up?
It's pain. Just pain, straight
Honestly.
pain. Magnesium.
Yeah,
Ooh.
magnesium. Yeah, magnesium.
Mm,
I relax your muscles.
I might have to because they're
Need
in
balance steroids.
they're in serious agony. Like they're fucking hurting now. Oh man, that 5-minute retracement. Oof. So hourly closed. I mean, it kind of closed. Not really the nicest candle, to be honest with you. So look at the 15. Yeah, man. I wish I was a bit further below, to be honest with you. Let's take a
Just
look
don't
how-
range again.
Yeah, man, the hourly closed above. Fuck that. So be careful, guys. we're taking these little bit of sells over here because the hourly didn't close below. That's what I was betting on. And the 15 did still close below, so still be reasonable, but that hourly there for me is a bit of a no-go, which is unfortunate. We should got them sells there, man. Fuck. I wait for sells below 560. Yeah, fair enough. You'd be waiting a long time, but pretty reasonable. Yeah, we'll see what this hourly has to bring, but yeah, maybe quite impulsive here. I don't really like this hourly closer, man. If you got in right now, where would your stops be? Yeah. NT5 is closed below. Oh, NT5 is closed below. On the hourly? Oh yeah, it kind of has. Yeah, that's true. That has. This move run, I don't really like it now. That hourly closing like that for me is just a bit of a pain in the ass. Literally at the last, how many minutes that candle? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 or 5 minutes of that candle. I was like, hell no. Let's take a look at gold. Yeah, gold is looking like it really is respecting this support level again. So it looks like gold is really respecting key levels. So 1934 here. Does 5 minute tap it? No. Yeah, 1934. 16 pips in the previous 30 minute. Yeah, that's pretty reasonable. I maybe want to see a bit more of a higher rejection first of this new hourly candle, and then a drop, because I'll show the rejection. So yeah, we'll see. If it wants to run off with me here, then that's fine. I'm not really too bothered. But that's what I was looking for. That's what the discipline you've got to have, man. If the hourly closes like that and you've got data on the left showing that I rejected, it's not like the nicest. Ocean military forces seize nuclear power plant. Oh shit. Wasn't it before that if they blow it up for some reason it'll be 10 times the power of Hiroshima? Was that Hiroshima? No, not Hiroshima. Chernobyl. Yeah.
Yeah, because this nuclear power plant they seized is the biggest one in Europe.
Yeah, fucking hell. That's damn. Just buy gold, stop loss 932, come back in a couple hours. Yeah, pretty reasonable. Pretty reasonable. Putin has just become even worse with 2 nuclear plants. I know. Oh, looks like it's going to do it over here now. Coming towards this area. And another thing also, that 30 minute here, I would have wanted a bit more of a closure, but it looks like it may do this move now. Ali's made a little bit of a top wick, not much of one though. Coming down, exceeding the low of the previous. Nice, but yeah, for me, that hourly closure was a fucking no-go for me. Beautiful. Nice. Nice. So exceed low of the hourly now should come and fill these wicks up. It's past also the support at 771. Interesting. Yeah, it's a shame that that last fucking 2 minutes of that candle closed back above on the hourly, man.
I think if you had your resistance at that, I mean your support at that current area, you would have basically given us a closure below, but because you had it all the way to the left over there. So if you just raise that, just raise your support a bit.
Like this one?
Yeah, like if you had it like just there, yes. If you had it, then that trade looks so good.
Yeah, it's this hourly's here.
Yeah, but you know, like you, I'm not too asked about that.
Yeah. A couple of days ago. Let me just go to these now. So So looking clean below this area at 756, which is nice. Continue down to at least 591, or potentially even further more down to 473, which is interesting. I wish it was just cleaner, man. If this just wasn't there at 15. Still low. To be fair, there's still actually quite a lot of room. Yeah, 12 pips. 12 pepperoonies. We'll see, we'll see. GU coming down to them lows as well. Wait for a little closure, could be good. May happen in the next 9 minutes or so. But it is only the start of the hourly, so no rush. Ooh, a 5 minute over here closing bullish. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame. Hourly's coming up now. So how much would your stops be on that 5 minute? 20 pips. Yeah, looks like GJ's still playing over here. Did you get 10 pips if you got in like on this flip? Yeah, you might have. If you got in on the lows, hell no. Only 8 minutes left for this candle. Maybe okay in a while. Maybe if this 30-minute closes below there, then that'll look pretty good. So what I mean is, if this next 30-minute closes like below this level, then we're looking good. Clean candles to the left as well. So it could be quite nice in the 30 there. The only issue is just 15 here, man. We'll see. Stopped out at break even. Oh, someone entered and got stopped out at break even. That's a shame. Should continue now as well. Maybe you put your stops to break even too early. If you got stopped out at break even, you must have got in on the lower. Yeah, you're only up like 5 pips. 5 pepperoonies. But yeah, we'll see. The hourly's still continuing down though, and I like the clean candles below this area, so there's still opportunities below, which I'm looking for. Just may want to wait for a 30-minute closure. And then maybe a retest up to 800 again, and then the drive down. If not, then that's fine as well. Yeah, man, still nice. 20 pips. I put my stop loss at break even at 5 pips profit. Alright, fair enough. Close now at 11 pips. Nice, Tommy boy. Do you get in on the flip? Nice. Thank you, Demi God, for subscribing. Yeah, I mean, 15 closure was nice, to be honest with you. For me, it was just this hourly and 30 was way too close to that level. I've seen it so many times close there and reject off it, especially recently, but overall pretty nice. So Scott's runner over here is doing nicely.
Yep.
Oh, 27, nice. Yeah, so
I actually closed out a bunch more as it hit the previous wick lows on, what was it, the 30 or 1 hour or something. Yeah, there.
Yeah, that's fair.
And at the bottom, no, tad lower down at wicks. Yeah, as it kind of got down there, I closed out most of it, so there's only a small position running now.
Yeah, that's fair enough though. The wick there, there's wick there, and there's also a wick there. It's a good place to get it. It's a good place to get out. Got 8 pips. Oh, nice. Interesting. Looks like it's having a bit of a struggle at that area that's just tapped on the 30, so I may want to move my little support level to here. Yeah, let's get rid of this one. So maybe 30-minute sells below 760 again. Oh. One 5-3 763. Sorry. Yeah, and the next 30-minute candle to close. I think that's where I'd want it. 10 pips caught. Nice. A lot of people took that over here. Wicked stuff. Ooh, Goldie just rejected. Let's take a look at Discord then. Has anyone else put in any charts for today? Oh, he's on the ball today. Samita, man. Beautiful. So we've got Candle closure above for buys 1940. Yeah, beautiful. That's what I'm looking for. When did you do this chart? 742. Yeah. Candle closure above for buys 1947. Yeah, but this range here looks pretty good to continue. And yeah, also 1933 to 1923, 100 pip move there. That is a nice area to potentially take it to that big support. Beautiful. Let's take a look at some Minthas over here. Buys above 1942. Yep, pretty reasonable. I think it's the same kind of judgment here. Nice 70 pip range to the highs. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then below as well. So kind of clean areas in gold if they do break above and below. For sure. Someone says, is this a resistance zone? What's this for? GJ or gold? So 17 minutes left. Let's take a look over here. And 2 minutes left for this 15. But for me, I don't know if I would want to get in on this 15. I think I'm probably going to wait for this 30 closure because it's a lot cleaner on the 30. That's probably what I'm going to wait for over here. And yeah. Ooh, shit. Gold's coming down over here. So gold has flipped the 4-hour time frame. It's flipped the daily. And we're getting a lot of volume in over here. Holy shit. Let's take a look on the 5-minute. Yeah, so 15 minute, there's also support here. Yeah, let's look at the 30 as well. Yeah, it'd be below this area, 1933, sorry. 1933.
Max, can you hear me?
What did you say?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Quick question. Everybody like here in the chat, in the Zoom, is everybody vaccinated?
Fuck knows, I have no idea. I have no idea, I'm staying away from that conversation. Raja nearly lost his YouTube for that.
Your computer virus, Jason, is that why?
Nah, fuck. I'm here at work at the moment and they basically, okay, let me to, Max, don't need to say anything. But yeah, I basically called our labor department with regards to, is it like a legal thing to do? And it's not something that's legal. Like they shouldn't like enforce it on you, but some companies are obviously incorporating it into their policies. And yeah, that's, I'm not vaccinated, just to put it out there. But yeah.
In Australia, you have to be, most places now, you almost have to have 3 shots. And if you don't, it's a government policy. You cannot go into work.
Okay. Not here by us. Like, it basically goes against our constitution, to be honest, eh?
Yeah.
So the fact that it goes like a company can't goes against a citizen's constitution, if you know what I mean. It's basically so contradictory shit. So, man, it is what it is. I just need to get my jab.
Yeah. And we couldn't, not even just work, like we couldn't do anything else. Like you couldn't go into a restaurant or a cafe. You couldn't, like, I don't know. You basically, we're not allowed to do anything without a vaccine, which I feel like it was the same in the UK. You kind of had the vaccine passport and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah, I need to travel, and that's the only reason I'm having to get it now because I'm not jabbed currently.
Yeah, man, you get it for the traveling, boy.
Honestly, to fucking ruin it for the travel.
Yeah. I had to take some traveling stuff. Yeah, it wasn't that bad, the traveling. The only thing was the mask, but to be honest, I just didn't wear a fucking mask. I got like told off like once, and then I just kind of took it off straight after. I was like, yeah, it's fine. So 15-minute
So
closed.
one.
Huh?
Oh, sorry. Yeah. So one of the situations is basically if you pose a risk. Let's say you are 1,000 employees, and you are the only one that's not vaccinated, or you are the 30th person out of the 1,000 that's not vaccinated, then clearly you are now kind of posing a risk on your employees, etc., etc., etc.
But
So
yeah.
guys, I'm gonna get vaccinated, so if I die, it wasn't on my own free will.
So yeah, I'm waiting for this 30 to close over here. Yeah, it's a weird situation this, because the 30 looks beautiful if this closes and makes a nice wick up over here. The only issue is this 15 just in the way. But I mean, as long as it doesn't push down that whole way, I'm just gonna jinx it now, aren't I? Then you could have break even by then. But the 30-minute still looks clean to come down. Look what it did the last 30-minute candle over here. Pretty nice. So yeah, we'll see.
Fuck the 15 minutes.
You are?
I hate it.
Yeah.
Fuck the 15 minutes. I hate
Never
it.
take 15-minute confirmations.
Yeah. To be honest with you, when the markets were good, 15s were fine. But yeah, recently because they've been so ass, I'm just gonna stick to the 30.
Well, I think well, what I don't mean that it's like pointless, but like you're looking at a 30-minute closure anyway. Is what I mean, because that's the next time frame to close. So you're still bearing in mind that there's 15-minute support. You know, that's the wick, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it's when you enter, it's like it's cleaner, isn't it? Like it says.
Yeah, exactly.
There's some clean moves on AJ last night.
Yeah, shock. Where is it on? Let's take a look. Some buys. It was alright. It wasn't too. It's still in the kind of
But
range.
that's yeah.
Take a look on the 30. Yeah. Was there any gold moves as well? Oh, yeah, there was. Damn. Take a look. That's not good. And the first one you wake up and the first thing would be like, what the fuck, who beat me outside?
No, Max, I was on about the AJ chart.
Oh, AJ. Sorry, man.
Yeah.
Sorry, bro. I didn't hear you.
Sorry, bro.
Let's take.
So it took someone the retracement coming down, and then brought it back up on the 4-hour flip. So
Wait, what time is that at?
4-hour was around after the 2 o'clock close. So it was. Can you see that rejection candle with the 4-hour? That one.
Yeah.
Yep.
Man.
So as soon as the next one flipped, there was like a 10 pip stop. Cover it was like a 30 pip
Yeah,
range.
that fucking stop there on the 30 was nice, sweet. If you got in on this high here, stop loss below. Yeah, that was pretty juicy. Take a look on the 15.
That looks pretty interesting.
And then the previous, that 15 as well, on the bearish candle. Around, I think it was 130 closed bearish, and then that was below the zone. And then you can ride it down.
Yeah, man. Clean candles, man. Pretty good.
Like even now, there's a clean range that it's creating, and buys above or below looks nice.
Yeah.
So, Max, I finally used my magic keys.
Did you?
Yeah, it's so nice. I love the sound.
Yeah. Do you? Oh, you trust me, you'll get bored of it. I had to turn that motherfucker off. The sound.
Really?
The sound, yeah.
I just want to open trades just to hear it.
After taking fucking 400 trades on it, it gets boring. I must.
Yeah, fair. I still, without thinking, I still put my stop loss at break even on my phone without even thinking.
It's always
muscle memory.
Yeah, having a little bit of a struggle over here. 50-minute coming up, breaking its own high that I'd made before. Yeah, that's why I want to be kind of consistent with this 30-minute over here. Just want to chill out a little bit. Short, yeah. Let's take a look at gold still. Yeah, gold is still, you know, respecting, you know, 1933. It's only if it comes below that level, then I think sells are going to be interesting. But it seems to be really respecting it. It needs to exceed the low of the previous 4-hour lows. That would be pretty good. Yeah, I didn't have a swollen arm with my jab. I just got fucking aches on both times, man. Like, my arm, I couldn't move it. It was killing me.
Imagine you can't move your cock after that.
Yeah, shit was hard.
Oh, shit.
So hourly coming back up over here. Damn, boy. Let's take a look at GU. Yeah, there was a
I'm
really...
actually so annoyed that I came too late. Missed that move.
Yeah, before.
Plus today's NFP, it would have been nice to get a random trade.
Yeah, exactly. I'm not going to be trading NY, I don't think. I'll come on for a bit, but I'm going to probably refresh until next week. Yeah, really, really good quote. That one, where was it? Yeah, this one here is pretty good. Trading is a waiting game. You sit, you wait, and make lots of money all at once. Profits come in bunches. The trick when going sideways between home runs is not to lose much in between. So it's when you're having a tough time, that's when you begin to be a good trader or not. Word or Zoom or yes. We'll do word.
Yeah, I like that, Max. It was good.
Yeah, it was good. Very nice.
I was looking yesterday with Sachin at like the last 2 months, and it's just been pretty much ranging for 2 months. It's disgusting.
Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna go through with that tonight, actually, in the Telegram. I'll do a video of the whole of February, like the moves that were there, which ones did we get, which ones did we not get. Yeah. Oh yes. Yeah, Good's still playing that level over here, and GJ's still chilling. So how many days is it in this war now? God, I hope they sort it out soon, please. Yeah, anyone in the...
I'm just thinking...
I know. Anyone in the
So what
YouTube
about
chat
the-
has started trading Forex in the past week or two. This is not normally how it is. Normally behaves a lot nicer.
Yeah, hang in there.
Yeah, hang in there. Either take time off and start back when the war fucks off, or yeah, don't really trade, just learn.
Get a demo account
Yeah.
for the war. What did I want to say now? I wonder if the Ukrainians and the Russians are trading.
Yeah, man. They're all there on the computers.
Oh, every war will last 4 years
Oh, man.
in
God.
history. Every.
Yeah.
And Corona also will last 4 years.
Yeah. The thing is,
But I think
Corona for the charts wasn't bad, because it was just like one day. Oh yeah, the numbers are bad, so it was just a gradual, you know, sell off or a gradual gain. Like, whereas this is just so volatile, it's just one up, one down. That's the issue.
I think after the initial period, things will hopefully settle down. Then it will be the similar sort of thing. Every now and again, you have a random bit of news about the war.
Yeah, and then just fucking launches or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also Max, I think with you, you knew what the charts were like before Corona, so
Yeah.
you already knew what you were looking for, etc. Whereas, if you like started off, you couldn't really build data because of it's been COVID based. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it wasn't purely what's the word that I'm looking for? Like fundamentally driven to that specific pair, etc.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Yeah, but I caught a nice trade. Brian also caught that trade. Brian is so sneaky, eh? He literally, like, we were chatting for a couple of minutes. We caught the NYSE sell. I got stopped
GJ?
out. No, on NASDAQ.
Nas, yeah.
So I got stopped out at break even.
No.
I set my stop loss in profit and I got tapped. He ran it all the way.
No way.
He trusts his stop loss. He's good, man. Yo, Brian is really sharp. Anyway, then close to 6 o'clock, there was another trade. Like there was a low support area we were waiting for. And without me speaking, because we usually, our rules is we just trade NASDAQ, NYSE. Any other time we won't trade it. So the NYSE volume is so huge, it's massive pips. So from the top,
is
so
it this
I
cell
got in
here?
at the top. Yes.
my guy got a fucking sell here. Right there.
He got every single pip out.
Holy shit. Did you wait for the 15 to close or not?
So if you look to the left, there's just shrink it more in.
Wait,
So to the left, there's an imbalance there. No, go down. There.
Yeah.
So if you go to the left, let me just annotate.
So that's how we get those wick entries.
Yeah.
Go to the left. Just leave it there. So there. So that was an area of imbalance. So that's basically, go to the right now again.
Yeah.
So that's basically how I caught that entry. Yeah, so that's how that entry is caught.
But where do you put your stops though? On the top wick when it starts
30
coming
pips,
down?
like
We just run 30 pip stop.
30 pips is the.
And how much did you get? And how much did you get for that?
A fuckload.
How many?
A fuckload.
500.
No.
So fuckload.
Fuckload. That's mad. I mean,
what time do you trade that? Is that NYC?
2:30.
Yeah, so like South African time would be like 4:30. So
And
back
that-
if
that-
daylight
what-
saving changed.
Was this just because that you took an entry because the left it didn't come up to that price before or the retest point?
Yeah, it's testing an untested area.
Yeah.
NASDAQ
Makes
likes to use with that, and with high time frame, obviously.
Yeah, so high time frames are bearish.
Oh yeah, they
basically.
are. Yeah.
So that.
I'll
So,
never go
yeah.
against the trend with NASDAQ.
Yeah.
so,
That makes
so
sense,
that's
though.
basically just an area price came to fall. Like NASDAQ couldn't continue the bearish trend without that price being fall. So that price just came to fall and it continued in the bearish trend.
Do you
And
always?
that's the last untested area for the bullish move. So if it had to go up, then we'd have to wait for buyish untested areas. So it had to test there to continue down.
Yeah.
Do you enter always at like around the 230 mark? Do you have like a
Yes.
window that you trade on, like something like 230 to like 330 or something?
No, but we'll start at NYSE and we'll wait for our areas. So
Yeah.
it could take an hour, it could take 2 hours.
Okay.
So
We
I
have
put
to
the
wait for
buy.
that.
So at the bottom we have a buy there as well. So I caught the buy. So because I got stuck out at
Look at buy that.
We
Yeah,
both
so-
got the buys, and
both
I'm
got
too
the buy.
partial.
So he set his magic keys and he packed off. I don't know, he went to go do some personal things. And hey man, like I was busy with the dishes. I had my laptop there and I was like, the
I got
missus
like
was
70
checking.
odd pips out the buy as well.
I also got like 72 pips. It was nice. Yeah, it was just, and after that gold trade, yeah, I was a bit annoyed because we had everything correct, everything lined up. Obviously, it was just a bit early.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
I was so annoyed.
Don't talk about it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So looking like this 30 just closed and it closed above. So yeah, kind of a shame. 50 minutes just closed bullish back above. Damn boy. And Owlie's struggling to break this little area over here. Take a look at this 15. How far it came down? 664. Yeah, it's pretty close to these lows. Oof. Holy shit.
Oh, it looks nice.
Yeah, man. Clean candles. Fuck. Look how nice that is.
I would never consider it, like, just because both of them will be closed, aren't they?
Yeah, but we could have like done
What time is it?
that. Probably would have done that.
Shit, I was just looking at
It's
this
London
chart
Open,
now,
isn't
and
it?
we were
Yeah.
in a range. I was just looking at this chart.
let's
London
buy on the
Open
flip.
pushes. Nice.
Let's
Pulls
buy
Yeah, you
back.
could do the
Close
sales
before.
just before as well,
Yeah.
where the close below.
Ah, here.
Yeah.
Could have get in there, stop loss above, wait for the top
Yep.
wick.
Nice. Just wait for the first
That's
engulfing
fucking
candle,
delicious.
and then just jump on the next one.
Yeah, it looks here.
Paul,
Literally every time there's
60
one
pips on
engulfing
this
candle, you
yesterday.
just jump on it.
Jeez. I love fucking trades like that, man. When price rejects and it just falls back to the support. Because you can hold that whole thing on. I would have held that whole thing on there. Yeah.
Even if you took like the first resistance forming or support forming, you probably hit break even. If
Yeah.
it came back anyway. Because it ranges for a bit, didn't it?
Yeah. So here, I mean the same thing here. I'd have done that.
No,
Support forming. The next one support forming. Next one
This is like-
resistance forming.
This is like old GJ, man. This is like fucking
I
GJ
see.
before
Max,
the
I
war.
mentioned this to you.
Mm.
I just
God.
I just charted it once when Fahad put it in the group, and I was taking a gold trade at the time,
Mm-hmm.
and I was like, hey man, this is so beautiful.
Yeah.
I fell in love. It was like
Just
a love at
nice
first sight.
candles, man.
Yeah, exactly.
A15 reject. Get
And
in on
then
the get in on the
breakouts
low.
look nice.
Oh, that's only 12 pips. Fuck. Back to the lows.
That's fine. That's
Most
fine.
of the time, the stops are so perfect. Like it won't be
Yeah.
like more than like 10, 11 pips.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Closure above. This one. Stop loss below.
Yeah.
Yeet.
At the beginning of that move as well, you got a breakout down below.
Yeah.
And it doesn't just run off. It gives it like a
Accelerate
decent
play.
entry.
Yeah, that. Probably there.
Celery maybe, yeah.
Yeah,
Look at that,
definitely.
fuck.
Careful.
Pretty fucking easy, that. Damn.
That's like 2 days to 1 day, isn't it?
Yeah.
Funny though, because those 3 days are when the daily broke out of the range.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the GJ's been stuck in fucking.
Yeah, that's literally what we were talking about yesterday. And it's actually as soon as you start trending, Max's strategy works like a fucking beast.
Yeah, if you trend on a daily or weekly, break out the zone. Oh my god, you can just take every
Yeah.
breakout and you're hitting bang.
Smacking them, yeah. Just this
As soon,
higher time.
as soon as you're
frame.
like, as soon as the high time frames are constricted between a price range, the pullbacks are more annoying because there's not enough price range to
Yeah.
go between.
Yeah.
So the breakouts don't have enough juice to go. They just kind of just fanny about, then they'll go. But as soon as the daily trends or the weekly trends, holy shit, you can just click buy. Just click buy every time. There you go.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes and buy. Martinez
I know
says
that
this
what I'm fanny
hindsight,
about.
this hindsight looking back is absurd. I'm looking back. I'm just back testing if hair, man. Chill out.
And of course, we're not going to like say, "Oh, we'll take that." We'll
Yeah,
take that.
yeah,
But
I'm
it's
just
getting
saying,
the
like-
idea that you could take it, and so it works. That's it.
Yeah. And if you look at the
Like, you're not
setups,
going to know, and
if you look at the setups,
Yeah.
what they are, I mean, this one here was a closure back in the zone. This one here was support forming. This one here is support forming. All of our setups, which is nice to see. And then we go back to GJ.
Yeah, Max, let's add this fuck GJ, man. Like
Yeah.
really fuck GJ. GJ has been shit. You know, once GJ comes back to normal, we can definitely come back to it. But you know, it's fucking up our psychology. It's fucking up our rotation, man.
Yeah, GJ being so boring, boy. You missed like all the setups who didn't work with the same. What you speak English, bro?
yeah, of course. Like, what he's trying to say, and I understand what he's saying, is that there's a lot of setups which we would have taken, which would have gone wrong.
No,
which is true.
yeah.
But that's not what we're trying to look at.
Yeah, I was
We're
just
trying to see
looking
if
at
we
the.
could have caught the bigger moves.
Oh my god, some people, man. So let's take a look over here. Check Discord, okay? So we're going over here. Okay, potential better sells below 153,600 below the 15-minute support. Yeah, if the 15-minute candle closes bullish, there potential for a sell replay, or the 15 just runs off without an entry. That's true. Looking to sell on the next 30-minute because a lot of the time the 15-minute relaxes, pushes with the new 30 to take a sell. Potential targets 153,600 and 396. Yeah, 396 is a beautiful end to it. Nice, beautiful, beautiful. This time moves at 4 AM UK time. 4 AM UK time? Oh, for what? Our GPY? So exceeding the low of the previous 30 now. I mean, wicked. Exceeding the low of the previous 15. It is quite close to that little support though. But how much was stops being there? Yeah, kind of big. Yeah, 4 AM for AUD JPY. Interesting. Interesting.
You take it during Asian. You can literally trade it during any session. London, Asian, New York.
Yeah.
You know, like it's trade for every session.
New York. Yeah, it should continue down over here. This 30 though, closing back above, little swipe, boy. Sorry, let's take a look here. Yeah, the 30. Oof. Let's take a look. Any questions, guys, in the YouTube channel? Make sure to come and ask me them. Yeah, it's been a slow week. How has your week been? I sent some charts to Discord too.
Right.
Yeah.
I remember the time in the Gulag. You can't communicate. It's so crap. You can't speak. You're typing it, but everybody's spamming. Your message don't even get read.
Yeah.
You know, maybe you want to ask something valid, but then you know it's spam so much.
Yeah.
You know, Max is on the chart. Max is in the Discord. Guys, everybody just get the bundle.
Get the bundle. Usually sells once it breaks below. So 22 minutes left for the hourly. It's just this 15 over here for me is just kind of pissing me off now. Especially with this 15 closing bullish here. I don't think I would have taken this even if you got in on the low here. Because stops are quite aggressive on there. 16 pips, yeah.
Brian, did you take that previous sell, the first sell? So I'm sure Brian took that first sell.
Nah, I missed it, but I was too late.
Yeah, same. I was too late.
And me. Fucking me. So did you take the second sell?
Maybe.
So that's a yes.
Right, guys, sold. That's so funny.
He doesn't let the trade. He doesn't easily let the trade go past him, right? That's like,
yeah.
How can I explain it? He just he doesn't let an opportunity pass him by. So if it's a missed opportunity, okay. But if the opportunity is there is no way in hell it's gonna pass him.
Yeah. I liked it. For me, the hourly was just fucking right at that level. That was my only issue, but yeah, it was pretty good. I think confidence levels this week are just dip, so I'm just chilling for it. Oh, nice over here, coming down to fill this zone. 608 just filled over here, coming down towards potentially 470, which is the big 30-minute support level. Nice. Gold pushing above. Yeah, man, looks like gold is starting to create some volume over here. Did it just move in one candle, or is it been gradually? Yeah, man, it's interesting. How long left for this 15? 5 minutes left. How big are stops right now? Yeah, big. Goldie's on the move. I don't watch paint dry. I had enough of that shit. I've been watching paint dry. Fuck. So coming down to the next little previous low over here on the 15, which is what I was a bit cautious about. The 30-minute over here now is looking nice. The issue is that this 30-minute candle before came all the way back up, closed above our support line, so there's no way in hell chance I was taking that sell. So yeah, this looks interesting though. Looks like a bit of volume. Looks like maybe a bit of news over here coming to pump Goldie back up. 100 pips over here, 1950. Jeez, that would be nice. Would you take GJ on the 15-minute closure? No, I'm probably gonna look at the 30. I think I'll take a look at this 15 because the next support now on the 30-minute time frame is only yeah, it's only 8 pips away. Fuck that. So again, you know, a spontaneous move. I've been used to this very, very recently. For me, if I wanted to go back, I'd probably take the sells here, stop loss above after I made that little top wick. But apart from that, this GJ just moved randomly again, which has been doing all the past 2-3 weeks. A random fucking bearish candle coming out of nowhere after 50 minutes just goes bullish back above. So what you gotta do? You can't do much about it. You just can't take it. So yeah.
Also, we couldn't even salary that because there's a wick to the downside. Like it's rejecting that area for buys.
Yeah, if I took a sell there, I'd be shitting myself with that 30 because it wicked all the way back up. It looks like gold's moved as well, so this probably just pushed GJ down a little bit. Shock, the fundamentals are moving it again. This is why I'm chilling too. They need to finish this war through the weekend, man. I'm not coming back. Should eventually come down to the 4-hour support, which is at 153,500. That would be the next little target. It filled that 4-hour wick though, which is what I said at the start, which is nice to see. So you know, with volume and with the same trend, wicks get filled. So that was a wick fill over here. So this wouldn't be a rejection wick because price is, you know, continuing down, bearish trend. So that was a wick fill. But something like this, if this here filled this wick, it wasn't really because it's a rejection wick, because price is bullish overall and it's rejected a previous zone to then head back up. I had 10 pips partial due to the next support. It was almost tight small and now almost knocked out a break even. Oh, almost. Where did you get in? On the 8 o'clock.
I got in on the previous the bullish candle before the bearish candle before the bullish candle, right?
Yeah,
so 153.83. And I had 10 pips, so the 10 pips partials was hit, and then the runner almost came back to entry.
Oh, it's close, yeah.
Yeah, but I mean the money's taken off the table anyway, so
yeah, man, you've ate your melons today. Damn.
Oh man, I ate mango yesterday. Very underrated fruit. Fucking love it.
Yeah, mango's my favorite, eh? Mango and pineapple. Oh, I love
Alex,
it.
you're gonna have a 100k gold trade today, what?
What's that?
If you eat mangoes, you get a 100k gold trade.
Yeah.
Oh, because of Raja.
Yeah. Eat your mangoes, I'll help you out. How do you backtest? Do you backtest every type of entry one at a time? Not one at a time, it's mainly just going through it again and again. But use software effects for it, and yeah, we're gonna do a session actually together as a group in the next hour or so. So yeah, it's really, really good. I mean, I'll show you an example here. If you guys don't have it, it's pretty reasonable. Like it's like, I think it's like $90 or whatever, but it really, really does work out. Let's take a look over here. So let's just go to a gold sim. This last one. So yeah, we're going through February.
Start on the first day. This is Tuesday.
So what you have over here, if you guys haven't seen this before, is, you know, you can start at any point in time. You can start any account size in times. This one's 100,000 with a 10 lot. And then yeah, you just go through the days. You can skip the time frames here with this bar, so you'll see me skip it about. And you have all of the time frames of these, so daily, 4 hour, hourly.
Down over here, 14 pips profit. So the 50-minute is just closed. Nice to see.
And then yeah, you go through the times, and that's how you backtest. And you can do it, you know, real time. It's pretty good. And yeah, really, really worth it. It's pretty good. GG is moving great for more impulse directional reads, closures, or ass. Yeah, especially recently. Lol, I got crack file. You don't buy. I won't say on YouTube. So yeah, that 50-minute candle over here did not close below 600, so kind of scary to get into that. 30 minutes is still reasonable, still open as well. 30 minutes left. Someone says sell gold. I think if you were selling gold over here, you're kind of just in a range, man. You know, your range is from 1940.5 to 1934. That's the range. You gotta wait until we break a below and above it. That's what you gotta do. So yeah. So people who maybe have missed some trades today, I'm just going to go through potential trades that you may have taken. Let me just show over here. So there was actually a little minor one there, but that could have been okay. Yeah, maybe it's a bit choppy here, just because it's left hand side. But yeah, maybe at the 8 o'clock open, when it made the top wick over here, take it, because the stop was quite nice above the previous. So yeah. Took profits from them buys, I told you. Stop loss 932. Beautiful, man. Yeah, you said. That's really good work. Especially if you got in, like, in these areas. Taking profits at 940 is where you were looking at, man. That was actually pretty decent. What time was that at? Yeah, 8:30. Yeah, man, the amount of times we've seen this this month as well, like where the 5 minutes over here still coming down to previous supports. Look to the left where the support is. Yeah, 933, beautiful area. As long as you got your stop below that area, you're pretty in a good situation, especially when the higher time frames always printing bullish, you know. Very nicely. Now GJ's coming back down. Fucking hell, man. 5 minute right at that support over here to the left hand side, the same kind of thing, but still looking pretty bearish. Let's take a look at the hourly now. Yeah, the hourly zones as well are pretty nice, even further below, so will be interesting to see. The only issue as we have is this 4 hour support, which is only 10 pips away, and it's will it break that? That is the issue. Down to 153, someone says. Ooh, maybe to the end of this day. If you take a look at the daily, it makes sense, doesn't it? As long as we've passed this area of support, as long as we stay below this area, we should come down, fill these wicks over here to 153. Simple.
Is Tom not on the Zoom?
Yeah, most of the time he is.
Tom is
not today. Not today he is. Yeah, I think Tom had a hard day yesterday. Actually, I'm pretty sure. He said he's down like 2%. But it's all good. Yeah, gold coming back up. 10 minutes left. There's closures, but yeah, no closures recently. A shock. Max, if the 30-minute closes like this, would you enter in the break of the low? Potentially, if this next 30-minute can get a nice top wick. But as I said, it's only due to this 4 hour coming down to the support, man. That's the only issue I have. So if this hourly close like that, yeah, it's too close to this level now. Who's talking cyber criminal? Euro AUD pair, please. Ooh. AUD, probably not. Make sure to, mark up your chart and then send it in here. We can take a look. So I'm going to be doing the giveaway of the magic keys over here to these people. So we've got Samantha as one. We've got Slotagad. We've got Tenolia. Okay, these are the 3 people that have done it pretty consistently in the past couple of days. So a 1 to 3 reward. So I'm going to do it in order. Let me just take a look over here. So I'm going to do the order. Samantha's 1. Tenolia is 2. Actually, do you know what? He's only just done 1 today, and you guys have done it pretty consistently every day. So I'm only going to do you 2. So 50% chance of getting it. Jeez. So let me just get my random calculator out over here. Random number generator, beautiful. Okay, so 1 to 2, Samantha's first, Tenolia is second. 3, 2, 1. 2 has won. 2 has won. I swear Samantha, I swear this guy really wanted one as well. Beautiful guys.
You think Samantha?
Samantha. Samitha. Samitha. Ah, fuck.
I think it's the color of the writing.
Yeah, man, it looks like Samantha.
Yeah, you can see it. Like, just so you know, the color writing is blue.
Fuck off.
It's green.
Shit's green.
That's yellow. It's yellow.
That shit is green. That shit is green.
It's as yellow as Wordle, that is.
Sumita.
I just saw the chat. Euro AUD. I can't believe it.
What's happened with your AUD?
Just check it.
Okay.
Unbelievable.
Your AUD. Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Holy shit. Why is it fucking dumping?
Yeah.
Crashing.
Yeah, check daily. Check daily. You see?
Yeah. Fucking hell. So the euro's dying.
Yeah.
Full margin sell.
Fuck! Look at that.
Check the weekly, my god.
Holy
Yeah,
shit! It's even
4%.
worse. It's even worse than COVID.
4% on the trade. Fuck it.
Why is it even worse than COVID? What the fuck's happening?
I don't know.
Like the war, yeah, but like the euro, what are they just getting involved? I suppose it's just the. I don't know.
Yeah,
Or
but
is
the
it the
Australian
Aussie dollar?
Ask Finn.
The Aussie
Finn, what's
dollar was
happening
going up
outside?
with AJ.
I mean, the Aussie dollar's fucking pumping, man. Australians are playing some games here.
They're swimming.
Fucking Aussies.
Swimming in the money.
Yeah, but a lot of the price movement on the Australian dollar has also got to do with oil moving up and down.
Ah, yeah.
Is that
I've
because
said
it's,
before.
didn't someone say it's
Scotty-
the same
Scotty
or
said that,
something?
yeah.
So it's going down because of the war, and safe haven assets is going up.
Makes sense.
Yeah. So coming down over
So-
here to this next level, which is annoying. I wish I fucking got that 30-minute. But yeah, for me, this 30-minute closing back above is just it had 30 minutes to close below this area, and it didn't. Like, so that's just my luck recently. That's why you shouldn't focus on one pair and when you get price action like your AUD. Well, no, because if you did that, you'd be looking at 1,500 charts every single day trying to find the best move in each chart, and you don't know how things move, so that's wrong. I don't know how your AUD works. You know, I don't know how it moves. If I traded this on the 30-minute, I mean, yeah, it could have been okay, but there's not many bottom wicks. There's not many top wicks, and yeah, there's no point looking at 15,000 charts and telling you.
You were saying?
Me.
Yeah.
Oh, I said it's like Max was saying. It's very hard to look at all the charts. I said Milan does. Like you managed to do it.
Milan can look at all. Milan's got loads of eyes, man.
No, I don't trade out charts. No. I'm just looking at.
No, that's what I mean. Like you managed to look at all of them.
Yeah.
You didn't say trade Milan, you said look.
AUD USD.
What's for lunch today, Milan?
Chicken. Always.
Chicken. Do you like eggs as well?
Always. Eggs, yeah. Fish, eggs, chicken. Lots of proteins I eat. A lot.
A lot of potatoes, did you say?
Milan, are you cutting or bulking?
Say what?
Are you cutting or bulking?
I'm always shredded. All year, 20 years, last years, always shredded.
How many pairs should a person
bulk.
trade, please? Well, there's not one. What's it called? There's not one.
No, I can show you my picture 20 years ago. I can show you my picture 20 years ago.
Milan, if you're shredded, then I don't know what I am. Fuck.
Milan, you should have been.
Milan, you know what? No one believes you. I say just take your top off and show us.
Say what?
I said no one believes you. I think you should just take your top off and show us.
Do it for Samantha.
Yeah.
Samantha.
You want to take off my shirt?
Do you know what? I'm actually Samitha's been here for a long time, so Samitha, you've also got magic keys, my boy. I'm gonna give you both of them.
Mean for you, bad to kill Milan with top off as well.
Nice. So yes.
Father Maximus.
Father Christmas, bro. Bro, I actually love fucking giving shit like that. I actually quite enjoy it. I like it. It makes you feel good.
It's very
man.
nice of you.
Makes you feel good, man. There we go.
So what competition can we do to win the real thing?
The real thing.
The big
one.
hard copy.
Fucking nothing. I wouldn't want to give it to anyone. I think it's a waste of time, man. The online one's so much better. The online one.
Yeah, but you use a PC with several screens. I only have one screen on my laptop.
Oh.
Yeah, lifetime is good.
Oh shit, that's quite annoying actually. If you've got one.
That's why I use my phone.
Because
my phone is my second screen.
I thought you were talking about Max's mentorship.
That fucking Grant kid, oh my god, some of the stuff he comes out with. He goes, this is the #1 stream in the gay community. He comes up with like shit every single day, just types in the chat.
Hey man, to be fair, there's a niche there. There's got to be a niche there.
Yeah.
Milan, if you started a LGBT friendly stream and you just sat there with your top off, I reckon you'd get 1 million views. You're killing it. You jump over Max's views.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I'll get my fucking rig out, man. Guys.
I wanted to try that.
Yeah.
You do OnlyFans trading. Just sit over the top of trading on OnlyFans. That's.
Yeah, man.
Oh, that's a niche market.
Oh, you can do that.
Trade naked.
That Tinder swindler.
Homoerotic FX. Homoerotic FX. Some fucking OnlyFans shit, man. God. Man, the OnlyFans thing I see on TikTok, man, it's hilarious. Like these girls are just sitting on the stream, like with like barely anything on. They're like, just go for my OnlyFans, and there's like 30,000 just like fucking horny 15-year-olds. Like, yeah, the chat. Like, oh my god.
I have a female friend. Who doing the OnlyFans. She's making lots of money. A lot.
Bro,
like $10,000.
they all make money.
Yeah.
Guys, sorry, GJ is closing below. Sorry, guys.
Wait, what did you say?
15-minute GJ. 15-minute GJ.
Why are you interrupting us?
Yeah, that's true.
Sorry.
It is 50.
You know how much I want to continue.
It is 50. It is 50 minutes. It is just this 4 hour. We're coming to the support, man. I feel like
okay,
I'm
back to
just blasting off now.
Yeah.
There you go.
Let's take a look at the 15. Yeah, man. I don't know if I want to play with that. I have a feeling it's gonna haunt me again, and price is gonna. I'm gonna get into a sell when everyone just finished their sells and lose it. Fuck that. It's tapped the 4-hour support, which for me was the
Yeah, and
no-go
we've
area.
dropped so much already. Man.
It's fair.
We've really dropped
No, I
a
just
lot.
wanted to.
I mean, unless this next one just come up like 12 pips and then flips, maybe.
Yeah, it would be nice if it came up to like 700 level. 0.700.
Yeah. Then that'd be pretty
Exactly,
reasonable.
you've got it. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
Listen, now that you're talking about this OnlyFans shit, like here's a guy where you used to be a guy, used to live in my area where I used to live when I was still living with my mom. And he's a gay dude, you know, not disrespect against him. I have no issues with you know, how everybody expressed themselves, etc. But he moved to the US like I think 4 years ago. But he was like gay as fuck, eh? So we used to like always, you know, when the homies were going out, you know, clubbing, etc. and shit. And that motherfucker just wanna suck dicks.
Oh my god. Oh my fucking god.
But he's now a performer. He's actually he's a professional performer now in the USA. Like fucking queens it. You know, like he honestly queens it for his he gets to express himself, you know. He's honestly living the dream.
You're fucking mad.
You're a badass motherfucker, Jason.
Excuse me?
You're a badass motherfucker.
Yeah.
I'm not, man.
I like how you say that and then you're like, excuse me, in like the most innocent voice.
Excuse me. I just love the way he says. I just love the way he says Brian. Me and Brian on NASDAQ.
Max, can you roll your R's?
No.
Oh, come on.
I can't.
I'm sure you can do it.
You can't. No, I can't.
There you go.
No, but I can't fucking say a word on it though. Byron.
You did the R in the wrong place.
I don't know how you speak like that, man.
You sound like a sliding door operator here in Cape Town.
Sliding door operator.
What? What's that?
Are the sliding doors automated where you live? Gotta have a guy that.
We have taxis here in Cape Town, so the guy's obviously shouting. Let's say you're going to whatever location, so his face is hanging out by the door, and he's shouting "Biawo, Biawo, Biawo." So wherever you need to go, he basically shouts out. So if there's maybe passengers on their way to whatever location, so it's not like with the bus. It goes to the bus stop, you get in. They basically searching for passengers to get in, so they will drive down the road, and the guy will shout "Biawo" or "Cape Town, Kaapstad," wherever you need to go. So that's how Max sounded.
Your page is full of people, man. Okay, so do you backtest like the same way you trade live and then journal all the different entries you take to create a sample size? Yeah. Oh yes. Yeah, and I use that for sure. That's what you do. You just go through the times. You go through. Obviously, you can go a lot quicker when you backtest, and then yeah, what setup was it? Did it work out? What didn't work out? Why was the reason it didn't work out? Yeah, all that kind of stuff. You got to do that. You got to do that. So yeah, I mean, my issue right now is taking sells when we're at GJ support on the 4 hour for me is a no-go. But potentially later on, if you do pass them lows, for this kind of area 153 400, then we've got beautiful zone, 50 pips all the way down, which is nice to see. Looks like gold over here, maybe potentially trying to break this high again. But it seems like it's struggling in that area. So yeah, we'll see.
Listen, yeah. I'm going on YouTube trying to see if I can find any video of, you know, how Max was like imitating the sliding door operators. But as I'm going on YouTube, it just says taxi chaos, guy shot dead in taxi.
Oh my god. Holy shit. Holy smokes.
Taxi violence.
Jason, you smoking some shit?
I wish.
I wish.
No, honestly.
No, I don't. Like, so.
Why? You should. You should.
We do, at work we do medical examinations.
At work
and I
you
get
do.
fired.
That's why you like work.
Actually,
Maybe you should try.
That 5 minute, man. Fuck.
You know, in my younger days, you know, I used to have like a lacquer joint, you know, couple of years back, took another couple of years, but yeah, you know, I used to have a joint, you know, very often, and some good strong stuff, like strong candles. You know, like some Jamaican shit. I'm telling you, hey Milan, yo man, us
Jamaica is nice. I've been to Jamaica.
Yeah, but man, the fucking kush and shit we got here, it's like pollinated. Man, you high.
Lots of big asses in Jamaica.
Yeah, man, we're talking about dope, man. You're talking about asses, your wife isn't there, eh? Your missus isn't there.
Oh my god, you guys are fucking on one today. Holy shit. Holy fucking
Come on, take gold.
Friday did.
It's been a long week.
Yeah, it has,
Thank God
man.
my wife isn't home because she's always thinking that it's very serious thing, this trading. She will be going, oh, what the fuck are you doing?
Yeah, so right, okay, it's 9:05 over here. I'm not going to be taking any more trades. I didn't take any because of the fact that this GJ looks good to still continue down, but the zone to the 4-hour support over here is only like 5-6 pips away. And yeah, so the main move that potentially people could have got was probably this one here, if I look back on it. This one here. That was the move of the morning. I have a feeling. Because you got a closure below, made a top wick. My issue was the hourly, but I shouldn't really look at the hourly. That was nice. So yeah, would have got like 13 pips, and your runner would have got 22. That would have been nice, but apart from that, gold has not. Oh, well, gold is broken there, but it didn't before the 15 minutes over here holding this level. But looks good potentially now to continue bullish.
Well, I'm gonna take this gold.
I wanted to get on that. I wanted to get on that 5 minute here, but fucking, it's so annoying. Every single time I seem to look at gold, it's closed the 5 minutes. So I can't then write a signal, talk about it all, wait for the stop loss below, like, so then you miss it. It's fucking annoying. If this motherfucker if I looked at the chart a minute before this closed or 2 minutes before, would have been so much nicer. But yeah,
you need an assistant to do your signals for you.
Yeah. But even that though, even if I had an assistant there, I've got a millisecond to look at it. Like it's already closed, so it's just a bit of a pain.
Yeah, true.
You know what I mean? But yeah, that was the only GJ trade I think it potentially could have got in. Maybe also a little bit higher with this 30-minute closing below, with stop loss above. But yeah, nothing really I liked here because of the fact the support is just there. But yeah, guys.
Like a reversal there at the top.
Yeah. Wait, where?
Was a 30-minute time frame. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's a, what do you call it? Tweezer. A tweezer.
A tweezer. Squeeze.
A tweezer bottom, yeah. Where you have a bearish engulfing and then a bullish. I mean a bull and a bear, and vice versa at support. And then we still had a nice rejection. So on the 4-hour flip, that was fucking nice, eh?
Yeah, man. For sure, for sure.
Sorry, before you go, that 15-minute did hit 10 pips. I know it was a 4-hour support, but
which one did it? Oh yeah.
I'm pretty sure it hit 10 pips on the.
The 15 didn't even close below though, but yeah, it did. I think it did. Take a look.
Well, wait.
Nearly.
Is it not?
Nearly. Like
9.5. Ah, it's good enough, man. It's good enough. Fuck it, it's good enough.
Oh yeah, I did get 10. Yeah. But that 30. Yeah, 30 was still reasonable for me though. It's right at support, man. Just not how I trade.
Yeah, it was more of a risky one. Yeah, for sure.
Take a look. It's hard to break the catch. To catch the breakout on gold. Yeah, man. That's why you got to get in. As I said before, with gold, you got to get in a bit earlier on. So I was looking at GG at this time for some fucking retarded reason. I don't know why. But a 5-minute closing bullish again with the support here. I should have really taken this, but unfortunately I was looking at the shittest pair on earth, which was GJ. So then what happens is when you get into a trade like this, your stops can be below the current zone. So like here. I'll probably get in there because it's 25 pips. And then when you come to these highs over here, you know, you're already up 42 pips. And then if you want to get the breakout, your runner can do the damage. And it means that you don't get faked out here. You don't have any worries. This is what we've been looking at with the group recently, which is nice, man. Especially that 50-minute closing, man. That would have been nice. Fuck GJ. Should have looked at that. We're sending me out. I have a definite location sound for when I'm at work because of job. I can always... Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, but you also don't just want to take the signal, you know. You also, like me, I don't take the signal from Max, for example. If it coincides with my analysis, I will take it. But if
it's all talking
I'm not
about...
happy with...
Yeah. It's
all... So I won't just, like, even though you put the signal in, I won't just take it, you know.
Yeah, you have to look yourself.
Like, because I also think because in the past, man, like I was part of a signal providers group before I started trading properly. And, you know, you take a loss on someone else's account and, you know, fuck that. I'm past that shit. And I'm so glad I'm past it, you know. So I will use it as confluence for my own analysis. If not, like, because sometimes I will even maybe get earlier in. Sometimes you will... I maybe missed something. Maybe your zone was on a correct spot. You maybe saw that zone better than I saw it. My zone was maybe too close to price action now, and you maybe saw a zone further down. So that's, you know, at the end of the day, you want to learn as well and not just make money. You know?
Exactly.
Yeah, Max, can you see the gold on the left on 30 minutes?
Yeah.
There's some zone that tapped on the left. You see above?
Yeah, boy.
Yeah,
942.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah. We'll have enough gas to break above in London. That is a thing, isn't it? If you got that little break on the 5-minute there, would you have taken profits? Yeah, you have 20 pips, man. That's pretty good. That's pretty reasonable. But yeah, on that 30-minute there, you can see pretty. The good thing is with gold is it just taps certain levels really nicely and really respects them. I like seeing it. It's nice. But that's just the same as Max. I'm learning from him, so it works. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, boy. So yeah, GJ...
Yo, but Max...
Huh?
Sorry. I say, yo, but when you went on holiday, yo, like, I was shooting bricks, bro. Like, in terms of trying to be correct, like, you know, like Ospilan and Brian. And I don't know who else was a part of the Discord stream. Yeah, it was actually fucking under pressure.
Yeah, man. You guys smashed it, though. Holy shit. It was fucking good market conditions. Then I come back and it goes shit again. Let me just go on holiday forever.
Yeah, fuck off, man.
I'm actually going to go through this whole week as a whole, yeah, on GJ as well. Just seeing the actual moves that could have been taken and see if you got them or not. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on. Zoom, I'm going to give it 10 or 15 minutes or so. And then I'm going to be putting up the homework, which we're going to be going together in the Zoom. And then we're going to do the gold simulation. So yeah, guys, see you then. I'll probably say 9:45, okay? 9:45, we'll start it. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in a bit, guys. Peace out, man. See you later. Adios, amigos. And people in the YouTube, thank you very much for coming on over here. No trades taken, only the 50-minute, the 30-minute and the 50-minute closures on GJ here in this level would have been pretty reasonable. My only issue was that the hourly closed just still above this level, which is a bit annoying. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on. Amazing week, been very, very hard, but really, really good for your discipline and your mentality. When things are not as good and things are, taking a lot of time and there's less trades, all you got to do is manage the risk. People who have won the magic keys, make sure to message me on Instagram, and then I'll sort that out for you guys. So yeah, thank you very much. Peace out, man. Adios, amigos. See you later.